Hey, Rick Teska, Senior Market Solutions. Today I'm going to be talking about the Medicare Supplement Plan G. Plan G has been one of the most popular plans and actually one of my favorite plans to write. And you're going to be finding out more about that in just a minute. So Medicare supplements are standardized, lettered Plan A through N. I realize this can be confusing and somewhat overwhelming, but it's really not as difficult as it may seem because out of those plans, there's really only a few of those options that people choose from. But you really need to understand and really need to know what those options are so you don't overpay on that particular plan. Now let's take a look at Plan G, for example. Plan G is one of the most popular plans today and one of the plans that I personally like to write. Plan G offers outstanding benefits and coverage for really relatively lower monthly premiums. Plan G is always lower than the Plan F as far as the monthly premium, but the benefits are relatively the same as the Plan F. Plan F, as you know, and most people know, that takes care of 100% after Medicare, no deductibles, no copays, no out-of-pocket, but that comes with a relatively larger monthly premium. So that's where Plan G comes into place. With the Plan G, the only difference between that and the Plan F are you'll have to pay the Medicare Part B deductible. Currently, that deductible is $183. Once you pay that deductible of $183, it's going to work exactly like the Plan F, where it takes care of 100% after Medicare and fill in all those gaps, and it's identical coverage after that. So the one-time deductible, and it takes care of the rest. That's really it. That's the only difference. So those are the benefits. Let's talk a little about the monthly premium. Typically, the Plan G runs about 30% less than the Plan F. For example, we put together a rate here, someone age 75, a Plan F's typically going to run about $145 to $150 a month, where however that same individual can get into a Plan G for about $110 a month. So you can see there's huge value again with that Plan G. And this is where we come into play. We work with all the top companies, so that way you're assured of getting the best price on the Plan G. Because the thing is, with all the companies, even though they all have to offer a Plan G, their pricing can be different between all the companies. So you need to work with someone like us that we work with all the companies, so it assures you again of getting that best price for that Plan G. And we work again with all the top companies. So whether you're turning 65 or whether you're already on Medicare and maybe overpaying on your plan, I'd highly recommend reaching out to us at seniormarketsolutions.com or give us a call, 1-800-784-8969, and we'd be happy to take a look at your plan. And again, thank you for watching this video. I'd ask you to subscribe to this, and you'll have access to many more of our videos that would be very helpful. So again, thank you, and as always, stay healthy.